This video is for week 4 for the lab. I did 2 different experiments involving chicken leg bones. Here's the first one. The first one, I had to take the bone and stick it in lemon juice, and I set it aside for 48 hours. And taking it out, before it was hard, just like any other bone would be. Now you can see it's very soft, very tender. It almost feels like rubber. If you look at it, it is darker in spots. I don't know if you can see it, but it is blacker in some areas. For the second experiment, I had to bake another chicken bone. I put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 40 minutes and set that aside for 48 hours as well. And this is the result of this one. It's hard like it was originally, but it's almost harder. It doesn't feel quite as smooth as it did originally. It did discolor a little tiny bit, but it's very rough feeling. It kind of reminds me of what a stick or like a twig would feel like. But yeah, there's also a funny smell to it. I don't know if that's essential to know or not. One of the questions from the lab talked about Ricketts disease, and I initially said no, but now looking back over the experiment, I think that the acid-soaked bone does possibly represent Ricketts. It didn't change shape and there aren't any deformities, but as I said, it's very soft. I mean, for lack of a better term, it's squishy, and a fully developed bone without Ricketts would be hard. I mean, the function of bones are to support the body and to also provide levers for movements of the muscles, and if it's soft like this, it's not going to be able to fully function the way it's supposed to be. So I am going to say that this is close in a way to how Ricketts would be. But yeah, that's my findings, so thanks for watching.